Hey, it's me, Tinker, and this is Build the Builder Bot. And this week in Tinkerland, it's Pirate Week. So we've been building this big pirate island and all sorts of pirate crafts. We wanted to show you how to make your very own pirate treasure map that you can make at home. Come on. To make your treasure map, all you need is a brown paper grocery bag like this one. Yeah, this is a nice big one. We're just gonna cut a piece off like this. You don't need the whole bag, you just need a nice big piece. If you have some brown construction paper, you can use that too. We're actually gonna crumple it up. Crumple it up into a ball, and then open it on up and spread it out on the table. And then you're just gonna crumple it up again. And you're gonna keep doing this until it's really soft. And it almost becomes a really soft piece of fabric. We want it to look like it's a really, really old pirate map that's been around for decades. So if you rip it by accident, that's okay. We actually want to rip off some of the edges too. Now we can use all of our markers to draw on our map. These are called paint pens, but you can use a regular marker too. Let's start by drawing our lagoon. We'll take our blue marker and just draw kind of a circle here. And then we can take a gray marker like this, and we'll draw the fins. Color them in. Nice. And then we can draw our plank. We can take a brown marker and just draw a rectangle across. Awesome. We'll color it on in. And then you can use a black marker to add all sorts of details. We can just outline everything. Next up is our forest. So I'll show you how you can draw a palm tree. To make our palm tree, we're gonna start by making a little trunk here. We'll just curve on this side and curve on this side with our brown marker. Fill it in, and then we'll take our green marker and we'll just put a little dot at the top here, and we'll add 4 little arches. Just swoop it like this and like this. Now we can just squiggle in some of the palm leaves, just like this. Fill it in and keep coloring it all green. And then just like before, we'll take our black marker and we can outline everything. Nice. We can add a lot more palm trees to make it feel like a forest. Perfect. Now let's make our bridge. For our bridge, we'll take our light brown and we'll just draw 2 swoops across. There we go. And we'll just connect those 2 edges with some lines. Now we'll add our posts on the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 more in the middle. And then we can add our rope with our yellow marker. We'll just add our rope railings with our yellow. And now we can color in all of the wood. We'll use some dark brown and some light brown. Okay, now we can outline everything in black again. We'll go right along the railings. We'll go right along the posts. If you have a white marker, you can add all sorts of highlights too. Now let's make our skull rock cave. We'll take our gray and we'll start by drawing kind of a rectangle shape. And now we can draw the top of the head, kind of swoop it around here. We'll draw the nose and we can do some angry eyes. Maybe some teeth. Let's color that in with a black marker. Now let's color it all in gray. We can use some dark blue for all the shadows. We can do some white for the highlights. Yeah, just be creative. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cool. Now we're not done yet. We still have to draw our pathway for how to get to the buried treasure. We're gonna use a red marker for this. X marks the spot for the treasure. And we know that our treasure is hidden in the cave. So we're gonna draw a big red X right at the mouth of our cave. And then we can create some red dashes over the shark-infested waters, all the way through our jungle. Once we're out of the jungle, we'll go across the bridge. So add some more dashes and all the way to our X marks the spot. And look at that. Whoa, our pirate treasure map turned out so great. It looks just like our pirate island that we created. And now we can use this to go on our treasure hunt. We'll start here and we'll follow our path all the way through the jungle and across the bridge and all the way to our Skull Rock Cave. You can make something just like this at home. Grab a brown paper bag or a piece of construction paper and give it a try. And hey, you can go on a pirate treasure hunt at home. Just grab a friend and take turns hiding your treasure chest in your backyard. Then make your map like we did today and go on a hunt to try and find it. And if you don't have a treasure chest, you can always make one. Or check out our other video where we show you how we made a treasure chest out of a cardboard box and things we had around the house. It's always fun to see what you can imagine and make. Well, it's time for us to go now, but we hope you'll come back and visit us here in Tinkerland real soon. Until next time, we'll see you later, friend, and happy making. Hey, the pirate fun doesn't stop there. You can see how Tinker and Bill built a giant pirate island over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel. Or check out our other videos where we show you how we made a giant pirate ship out of cardboard boxes and a working cannon that shoots fog. It's all part of our Pirate Week celebration here in Tinkerland, where we'll be building all sorts of new pirate projects and show you tips and tricks so you can make pirate projects at home. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.